Hey guys, rock and roll, we're back into it. Issue 19 is out right now, like right now. So get amongst, get amongst. It's a cool issue. This one's huge. It's 220 pages of just coolness. It really is cool. We've got Tararua Rodders Chrome and Custom show. How cool is that? That was such a cool show. They let me in. I was quite privileged actually. They let me in on the Saturday night to roam around with the cameras and get amongst the cars and the rods and all that sort of stuff while there was no one around. So it was awesome. I actually got, you really got stuck into them. It's really good. So there's videos and all sorts. Oh God knows how many photos. I just hook into it, hook in and check it out. It's honestly, that's a really cool show. The standard of the cars, oh my God. I've been to Summonats and that, so our standard of our cars now is certainly cool. It's right up there, it really is. Some of those rods, it was like, oh yeah, baby. so hook in, check them out, it was really cool. And the video, that's probably, it's over an hour long. So you hook into that as well, suss it out on our YouTube channel. And or straight through the magazine, hit the link in there and boom, you straight to it. And honestly, it was such a cool show. That was really neat. It's a biannual show, but we missed the last one because of COVID and stuff. So full noise into it again now. So every 2 years again now, it'll keep rolling around. And being indoors, you can set your car up properly with your lights and your displays and stuff like that. And it's really cool. It's really cool. Honestly, more hot clubs should do it. To be cheeky. I wish there was more of them because the shows are they're so much better. They really are. I love the day shows and that, but when you get to show your car off properly, like the effort that we put in, it's super cool. It really is super cool, and I appreciate the effort that you guys put into your cars. It's stunning. It really is. It blows me away, some of your displays. Awesome, absolutely awesome, and awesome guys. Cheers, eh? And then what else we got? Oh, LOLIFE, hey, that was such a cool week. Oh my God, that was so cool. And super thanks to the LOLIFE crew for taking me down there, throwing me on the bus and taking me down there. That was really neat. Oh, Arnie and Stace, rock and roll guys, rock and roll. That was so cool, man. I really enjoyed that week and I fully appreciate it. It was such a neat time. That is such a cool family, the Burnout family. Different motorsports. It's really cool. Honestly, you've never seen a bunch of people just get together and make shit happen. It was really cool, really cool. So yeah, look into that. Massive coverage on that. Massive. The video, oh my God, I only finished it last night. 2.5 hours long. But I've broken it into 3 so you can watch it, because the 3 rounds, 2 rounds and then the final top 10. Massive, super cool, man. It was such a neat day, really was. So yeah, hook in, track loads of photos, heaps of video, get amongst, get into it and hook into it. It's really cool. And then we got a couple of feature cars. Warren and Lorraine Hopkins. We've got the little 401. It's a 1934 Ford pickup with a Buick Nailhead in it. It's really cool, actually. I've actually known the pickup for years and years and years when Tony had it, and I'd sort of photographed it, but I've never really climbed over it until it was down at a mate's place and stumbled across it by accident, to be honest. Rocked into his driveway and there it was. So yeah, really cool photo shoot in front of a mate's shed. So yeah, really cool and yeah, really neat. So hook into that, suss it out. It was it was one off, well, out of the blue really. It was just out of the blue, but it was worth grabbing. It was so cool. And then what else? Oh, BurgerFuels. We're in a BurgerFuels XA Fairmont coupe. It's a Fairmont. Mine's only a dirty old bloody 500. so there's a splash. So yeah, hook in. That's a really cool article. That's really neat. You know me, I love my coupes. I love my Aussie muscle cars. Super cool. So you hook in, chuck it, suss it out, and get into that. You would have seen it roaring down in the Father's Day Drags video, going up and down while Vico giving it heaps up and down the track, and little hoon cheers. so yeah, really cool. So yeah, get amongst, have a nosy, get into it, and suss that out. It's really cool. And there's a video and all sorts in there as well. So you hook into that, and yeah, it's a cool issue. This one, it's massive. So if you want a hard copy, yell out, and I'm probably going to split it in 2 for the LOLIFE Burnouts as well. Just to make it cheaper. So yeah, just give me a yell. Send me an email or a message or whatever, and we can suss out a hard copy for you. Because yeah, it's well worth it, man. It's cool. Really cool. And so get your mates around to watch it on the YouTube channel and make them subscribe. Go subscribe and get this guy live. And we'll keep it going, So get our numbers up, that'll be really cool. We can get into it. So yeah, cool. That's a massive issue, this one. So yeah, got some good backing behind us now. Actually, it's been really neat, and huge thanks to everybody that supports us and helps get us out there, because it's growing. It's honestly growing and growing and growing, and with our sponsors that come on board to help us, it just helps us get out there and bring more to you. So honestly, it's a win-win all round, you know, so it's really cool. This month we've got Chems on board. They've come on board with all their aerosol products. Performance in a can, man, it's really cool. And honestly, it's performance so loud you can feel it. They've got such a massive catalogue, it is really cool. Jump their ads in the magazine here, flick through, hit their website link, and straight through. It's suss their catalogue out. It's massive. Oh my god, it's massive. It honestly really is. You've got everything from carb clean to brake clean to silicones to penetrates to all sorts, you know. Even got label strips. I mean, how many times have we wrecked stuff trying to get labels off, and we've got label strip now. Number 8, lubricants. We've got all sorts. Black paint for you know, stopping things stop rusting. We all need that, especially on our old cars. Yeah, man, they've got all sorts. Electrical cleaning products, all sorts. Spray cans that spray upside down. I've never seen those before. How cool is that? So just in case you're upside down into your car, I suppose. It's really cool. All sorts, grease eaters, all sorts, man, and you can buy them in bulk as well. So yeah, get amongst, guys. Suss these guys out, man. They sponsor a Rusty 8's Burnout car. They also sponsor a drag bike, and they're getting into the Wild Bunch scene as well. So yeah, get amongst, man, because these guys are out to support us. So pay it back. Cool, guys, that'll be really cool. And oh, who else we got? We got BurgerFuels this month as well. So you get amongst. They've supported us this month with a burnout burger. So you hook in and get their burnout burger. It's really cool. They've also got a hybrid burger, but it's got meat in it, so it's still a burger. They're going to be cheap giving a hybrid burger, but you know, it's still got meat, so that's all good. Yeah, so yeah, get amongst, support BurgerFuel, man. It's a good feed, actually. Honestly, it's a good feed. And their Fairmont is named after their FRKOUT burger, and that's actually probably my favourite burger. So you get amongst that one. And who else we got? Last time we gave a t-shirt away to Andre Avery. Cool, man. So that's on its way, and I'm going to do it again. So anybody shares this post and gets us out there, I am going to chuck away another t-shirt. So do it. Get it out there. Dun-da-da, get this out there. And Survivors on the back, Octane on the front. All right. So I'll get that out. That's a large one, that one. So I'll get that out to somebody and get that going. And yeah, full noise. Hook into the mount shop. Need anything for your car. For bolts to your chassis, hook into the mount shop. Give the guys a ring. They're a super cool bunch of dudes, man. They're so helpful. And once again, fully backing the scene. It is so cool to see these guys just getting amongst the scene and helping us. It's honestly really cool. It really is. Really is. And TRIPLEX, oh my god. Our feature car, the 401, the pickup. It's our our TRIPLEX NZ Feature car. So hook in, and when you get into that article, you'll see that little ad on the bottom with a link for a 15% discount. Bang on that link, and you'll go straight through to their website, and instant 15% discount on stuff we already use. So yeah, all your alley fittings, your braided hoses, your fuel pumps, your surge tanks, oil coolers, you name it, bud, you name it. It's a 50% discount, and it's only through Octane. I mean, how cool is that? Reese is a cool dude, man, and same again, Reese is back in the scene as well. He backed the LOLIFE Burnouts. So get amongst, support these guys that support us, because it makes the wheels go round. And it's super cool, and it's a free 15% discount for you. I mean, for doing nothing, just banging on a link and ordering online, which you do anyway. So yeah, cool, guys, and that's especially for Octane. So cool, super appreciate it. It's really neat that people do that for us. How cool is that? It's really cool. So yeah, get amongst, and then Cruising Customs back in here again. So once again, if you need anything for your car, like your diffs, oh man, they do so many engine swaps and stuff like that. If you want your whole car built, you can even rock into their shop and get your car built. That's a lot easier than taking how long this taken. It's still sitting here, believe it or not. Yeah, that's bugging me. Well, we're getting there, getting closer. So yeah, hook in. So yeah, get them behind Cruising Customs for sure, because they actually back a lot as well, which is really cool to see. That's what I love about this scene. It's we all sort of get amongst, and it's like a big, huge family that makes all these wheels go round, you know, and it's super cool. So yeah, cheers, awesome, guys, thank you so much. And yeah, rip into it, guys, rip in, get this out there, shoot it out there, share it around, chuck it around, get it wherever you want, and tag us if you want, tag us in a t-shirt, and if you're sharing, go get amongst on your post, and I'll pull one out and chuck a t-shirt at you. All good. And I've probably got a couple of Mount Shop coolers left as well, so we'll throw one of those as well. So yeah, get amongst, guys, and that'll be really cool. And I'll see you in a week or two, and we'll do it again, eh? That'll be really cool. Awesome, guys. Cheers. See yous.